Fishermen, women wear a mask before entering. Okay. You asked for it. Cabin Creek gulps. Gotta get ready for them mosquitoes, you know what I mean? Dragonfly. Invasive lanternflies. Confusion, yeah. Yeah. Gotta get a license. Yeah, I gotta get a license.
License?
Yeah, Bobby Fish Gun here. You remember me.
What's going on, brother? How are you?
Yeah, I got the bug netting on, protected from lanternflies, invasive species, right?
There you go.
All right, so we're gonna get a license. See you later, folks. There we go, folks. Let me just show you around. He's working with the other people. Turn around. Oh man, look at all these jig heads. We're gonna try to catch a sunset. Man, he fixed the store up nice. This was tiny before he rearranged it. Sport fishing outlet. Look at these, man. All kinds of gulps. Look at the size of these, man. Too big for my tackle. Man, this guy, how he took all the back out and put all the room. Oh yeah, he doubled this place up. Good. It's just the sail section here. I'm gonna get a fishing license and then get out of here and catch a sunset. Frog togs, waders and stuff. Hip waders, chest waders. So this is better than going to Cabela's or Bass Pro in my opinion. I've shopped in the store many times. But this is excellent now. Excellent. Wow, these are some big rods. This guy's got great saltwater tackle, freshwater tackle, sport fishing outlet, Germantown Pike. Alright, that's about it. You got the smaller trout stuff on this side by the door. Got the trout magnets. Spinner baits, buzz baits, strike kings, everything, frogs, spoons. Check it out. Fly bobber.
Yeah.
Nothing big, like a 40, 50 on it. You think the steak was going to be around? That's what you bring your like largemouth.
Got the small
Alright,
I'm gonna get going. Got the salmon every day.
Somebody turns it in the bar, you follow that fish, he's firing up and you get